Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to activate the balance transfer service in Etisalat in 2026. Now this service is available on all the active accounts, so you don't need to do anything special in order to start using it. So first of all, the easiest way to send the credit is by using a quick code. For that you just have to open the phone's dial pad and in it you need to type *100*, then you need to add the recipient number and the amount. So for example, if you want to send 10 dirhams to the number, let's say 050 or 123 whatever, you will type *100*, after that the number of the person to whom you are transferring it, then star, and then the amount, which is 10 dirhams in our case, and then hash. So when you do this, you just have to press the call button. So after you press the call button, the message will pop up on your screen. It will show you the amount you are sending and the number of the person that is going to receive it. So if everything correct, simply press the 1 button in order to confirm it. If you made a mistake, you can also press 2 in order to cancel it. So once you confirm, both you and the receiver will get a text message immediately. This message is going to tell you that the transfer was successful and it will show you how much money is left in your account. So it's important to know some of the rules as of 2026, like you can send any amount from 2 dirhams up to 150 dirhams in one go. If you use a prepaid line, you can send up to 1500 dirhams every single month. If you are on a postpaid plan, your monthly limit is 500 dirhams. Finally, you need to remember that there is a small fee of 5% for this particular service. So this fee is taken from your balance when you send the money. So if you want to send 10 dirhams, just make sure that you have a little bit extra in your account to cover the cost. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.